work done, like creative work on his computer, he takes just a 2.5 milligram jelly tart, and he says for hours, just focuses. Otherwise, he gets distracted, he can't keep his head straight, and we have so many people who do that.
Are you having a moment?
What? Because I'm crying?
Oh,
No.
come on, you should have said yes.
Oh, I do cry a lot.
Rolling Stoners, how cool is this? We're up for our last meeting of the day, which happens in PE on the beach. We are meeting the people from Wesleys and their super cool dog Duchess. I've got a lot of footage of her that we'll put on. Such a well-behaved, funky dog, loves her ball, runs up and down the beach, entertaining everybody no end. So yeah, how cool. End of the day with a meeting on the beach. Isn't that what it's all about? Instead of tripping on your own feet, keep tripping. Cheers, guys. How are you?
Duchess is rolling. Keep rolling. On the road, on the beach, chilling, having a meeting. Hello, Rolling Stoners. I need you to go and look at Duchess over there, who's just the most intelligent little species on earth. Look at it, look at her go, look at her go. Run, bird, run. She's not fast enough and she can't fly. Oh, does she?
An endless journey, both day and night. The music keeps motion.
Hello, big girl. Cameron having a meeting. The Rolling Stoner having a meeting on the beach, sundown, watching the dog play. Look at it. Some blackbirds in the background on the beach. Rolling. Don't just like us, don't just follow us. Come roll with us. Something.
Guys, try and have meetings in unique places. Go. Don't follow us, don't like us, don't cheer us, just roll with us. Keep rolling.